The number one thing quietly hurting your teen, do this instead. You love your teen, but there's one habit parents fall into without even realizing it, and it quietly destroys trust. Constant correction. Correction makes your teen feel two things. I'm not enough, and if I'm not enough, I won't be loved. That's why correcting shuts them down. So what do you do instead? Here's the shift. Describe, ask, recognize. Step 1, describe, do not label. If you say, you're so lazy, just go and clean your room, right? What that does is it labels them, and we don't want to label our kids. Instead, we want to describe. So, step 1, describe, do not label. Pre-frame first. And I'll give you an example. Before I say this, I want you to know it's not a complaint. Actually, it's good news for you and me. Here is it straight out. Then you say the thing that you want to say, and it will be received much, much more easily. Then describe what you see calmly, like you're noticing the weather. I notice your clothes are on the floor, right? Just put a little bit of laughter, just a smidge of laughter in there, and it moves worlds, okay? What you've said is a fact, not an attack. That's the main thing. So that's step 1. Step 2, ask one short, empowered question. Not loaded, not irritating, okay? Instead of, what's your plan to fix this? Say, what would make it easier for you to take care of this? This activates thinking, and it gives ownership to them. And ownership creates responsiveness. That's step 2. Step 3, recognize effort. The instant they take a step in the right direction, however small, you must reward it. You picked up your clothes. Oh, that's awesome. You spoke calmly. I appreciate that. Recognition builds trust. Correction breaks it. When you replace correction with description, empowered questions, and recognition, everything shifts. Your teen stops rolling their eyes, okay? They stop shutting down, and they start connecting. Because teens don't grow from correction or punishment. That is the truth. They grow from ownership, responsibility, and knowing they're still loved even when they make mistakes. So next time you want to correct your teen, stop. Change your state. Get yourself in a great state first, then describe, then ask, then recognize. Actually do this and watch the difference it makes. If you don't use it, you lose it. You must apply it. You must embody it and physically do it. Follow me right now for more, and if you're serious about turning things around with your teen, send me a direct message. I'll start helping you for free with the first few steps so that you can see real results